Welcome back, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. Today I have a very exciting video. We're going to be adding more lights to the OBS, and that is Boney's truck. Boney is my brother, and he's going to be adding more lights to his running boards, which the truck is already maxed out on lights, but he's trying to like squeeze more lights into it, which I love because it kind of looks like a Peterbilt, like a mean old semi. So we're going to get started on that. And then hopefully we have enough time to actually work on my truck. So hopefully I can get more stuff in today. So I'm gonna go get started on that. Y'all, so these are the lights that I got. I got the Harbor Freight Specials. You already know. Yeah, these are like $20. Came with 12 of them. I'm only gonna use, I think, either 4 or 6 of them because I already have all 12 of these because I already bought another one of these like a year ago and installed them. So I think I'm only gonna use like 4 or 6 of them. But yeah, I'm excited because my truck has been lacking in the light department a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. I'm happy. Let's get into this. I came out here the other day, saw that it was disgusting. You see, it's all mossy. So got some degreaser, cleaned it up a little bit, realized it worked. So now I'm gonna do for all of this here. I hate the way it looks. It looks all ugly. I mean, it's a beautiful truck. So my old ones are 15 inches apart from center to center. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the new ones. Go from right here, and it should be about here, about 15 inches. That's roughly where it's at. So I'm gonna do that. It should leave me enough space for 2 lights on each side. All right, so I finished installing one side. As you can see them, here they are. They're attached. So I'm gonna use 4 in total, 2 on this side, and I'm gonna show y'all after I do those sides how to wire these things up. That way it all works, no problems. But yeah, I'm gonna hook up these to the existing wires I have running on the old ones. So it's gonna be really easy to do. And if you're installing a whole new set, I'll show you how to do that too. It's really simple, it's easy. Anyone can do it. I have both sides mounted already. You see they're the ones that just installed. Here are the old ones. Now it's time to wire it up. I'm gonna use the included wiring kit, whatever. But at some point I do wanna make my own because I'm not a fan of these. But for now, it will do the trick just fine. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all how you do these. They're pretty awful. I'm not a fan of them, but they're quick and dirty, really. So you have a single wire that runs from here all the way up to your power and switch, and then you have individual lights that come out, and then you use these like clip things, which you put both wires in there and you crimp them, and there's a little metal plate in between them that makes the connection. I'm not a fan of these, but that's what I have right now. But yeah, and then you run up, and then you run up that this wire to the power and the switch, and then these lights are actually grounded to the running boards. So all you need to do is run power. It's already grounded, so they're really easy to install. But that's how you do it. And I'm gonna show y'all up top how I have them hooked up to the switch. All right, so this is how you wire up the lights. As you can see, here are the lights on both sides of the truck. You need to connect both sides of the truck together. Once you do, you run that wire to a switch, and then from the switch, you go to a fuse, and then from the fuse, you go to the battery. I have a fuse box in my center console, right where all my switches are, so it makes it really easy. So I just hook up the switch to the fuse box, and the fuse box goes to the battery. It's a really easy way of doing it. And honestly, these lights are super easy to install. Anyone can do them. Like, everyone should have these things. Alright, and to do it, so I have this wire, this white wire, which I'm going to connect to the yellow wire over there. You see it right here. I'm gonna connect the white wire to the yellow wire, and what that's gonna do is that's gonna connect all the lights together. So how you do these connectors is you slip it in, push it all the way through, and then you see this metal plate right here. You're gonna crimp that with a pair of pliers. And make sure it's right there. So go there and crimp them. And now they're connected. And they have a connection together. And then you just close that over, and you're done. Off to the next one. Right, so I just finished wiring them all up. Now let's see if they work. Here it is. The switch. Alright, old ones. Old reliable, still work. And the new ones work. Now let's go to the other side. And they work. Alright, that's a relief. I'm always scared that I'm gonna wire something up, flip the switch, and it's not gonna work. But they worked out. They look great. Yeah, look at these things. From the back all the way up to the front. All lit up. Yeah, I'm happy they worked out. I like them. Well, yeah, nothing more to it. Alright, so I just realized I never showed y'all how the lights look at night. So that's what we're about to do right now. Open it up, turn them on. Actually, I'm gonna turn all the lights on. Yeah, we'll turn those on too. And then, y'all can see just the glow from everything. But that's how she looks with all the lights turned on. Look at these running board lights. Perfectly lit up. Down the highway, this thing will look amazing. I'm so excited. You can see it all along the running board. But overall, I'm really happy with how these things came out. They turned out perfectly. The install was easy on them. And yeah, I'm happy with them.